Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an Excel file to Google Sheet. This is the Excel file that we want to convert into Google Sheet. First, open Google Drive. Then click on New in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Google Sheet. This will open a new empty Google Sheet. Next, click on File in the top menu. Then select Import from the drop-down menu. An import file pop-up will appear. Click on the Upload tab. But you can also add an Excel file from Google Drive if you prefer. Now click on Browse to locate and select the Excel file you want to convert. Then click Open. In the Import File pop-up, select Replace Spreadsheet from the drop-down menu and then click Import Data. Google Sheet will automatically convert your Excel file into its format. And you will now have your spreadsheet in Google Sheet ready for review. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.